Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, and today we are going to do the match review of Chelsea's comeback win over West Ham where Blues edged London Derby by 2-1. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Chelsea head coach Enzo Maresca played this game with a 4-2-3-1 formation in which he started Jorgensen at goal, Reece James at right back, Adrabio and Luis Colville were the two centre backs, and Marc Cucurella played this game at left back. Enzo Fernandez and Moises Caicedo were the two defensive midfielders. Cole Palmer started his game as a central attacking midfielder. Noni Madueke started his game as a right attacking midfielder, Jadon Sancho as a left attacking midfielder, and Nicolas Jackson started his game as a centre forward. While West Ham head coach Graham Potter played this game with a 3-4-2-1 formation, in which he started Alfonso Areola at goal, Koufal, Kilman and Cresswell were the three centre backs. Wan-Bissaka started this game as a right wing back, Emerson as a left wing back, Irving and Soucek played this game as a two defensive midfielders, Kudus started his game as a right attacking midfielder, Carlos Soler as a left attacking midfielder, and Jared Bowen started his game as a centre forward. So guys, Chelsea did it the hard way, but they got the job done. The Blues fought back from a goal down to secure a crucial 2-1 win over West Ham at Stamford Bridge. It was an intense London derby, and West Ham, managed by former Chelsea boss Graham Potter, came with a plan. The visitors struck first as Jared Bowen punished some sloppy defending from Colwell, marking his return from injury in style. But Enzo Maresca wasn't waiting around. He brought on Pedro Neto and Marc Guiu early in the second half. And boy did it pay off. Pedro Neto made an instant impact, slotting home the equalizer after chaos in the box. And then Cole Palmer did what he did best. A dazzling run into the box, a whipped cross, and a cruel deflection of Aaron Wan-Bissaka saw the ball loop over Areola into the net. 2-1 to Chelsea. But West Ham almost snatched a late equalizer. Mohamed Kudus hit the post with a powerful header, but Chelsea held on to take all 3 points and complete the league double over their rivals. This win moves Chelsea into the top 4, and with performance like this, they'll be eyeing a strong finish to the season. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Chelsea took a total of 22 shots in which 3 of them were on target, while West Ham took a total of 14 shots in which 5 of them were on target. Chelsea had 68% of possession, while West Ham had 32% of possession. Chelsea completed 584 passes, while West Ham completed 281 passes. Chelsea had 86% of passing accuracy. Chelsea had 86% of Chelsea had 86% of passing accuracy, while West Ham had 74% of passing accuracy. Chelsea committed 11 fouls, while West Ham committed 10 fouls. Chelsea got 3 yellow cards, while West Ham got 1 yellow card. So that's all for today guys. What did you think of the match? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more football content. We'll see you until next time. Thank you.